I hate leaving the camera on in Wi-Fi mode because it just drains the battery. So after running around a bit, back here. Hey there, little guy. You alright? You alright? Oh, you're trying to fly. Look at that. You look hurt. Hang on a second. Let me just set up the tripod. Okay. It's okay. Okay. There's a robin from the looks of it. There's a parrot. You okay, little buddy? Say hi to the camera. So I just want to make sure you don't have any broken wings or anything. You have a little gash right there. So the robin's got a little injury from the looks of it. Oh, calm down, it's okay. That looks okay. So, little gash right there. So, that's definitely not good. Calm down, I'm helping your child. There are already flies around here. There's the parent. Does not look happy, but there's little robin. Hey there. It's okay. Hey. You stand on me? Okay. It's okay. Good job. There we go. So, looks like this robin has been hurt. It's okay. So I'm going to go see if I can find some information on how to help this robin. You gonna be okay right there? Alright. You gonna be okay? Okay. I'm going to leave the camera here. I don't want to leave it. I just don't want it to oh, where are you going? Poor little guy. I don't want to leave you, but I don't want you to get hurt. Alright? I'm gonna go get my iPad and do some research. Where'd we go? I just don't want to leave you here. You're so small and helpless. There you go. You stand right here. Stand on me. There you go. Oh. So that's a little injured robin. I'm going to see what I can do to help it. Be right back.